In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add WhatsApp link on Squarespace. If you find this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it.
The first thing you'll need to do is head over to the Squarespace website. Simply open your browser and navigate to squarespace.com. You'll want to start by logging into your account, so go ahead and click on the Login button, usually located at the top right corner of the page. Enter your credentials to access your Squarespace dashboard. Once you're logged in, you will land on your Squarespace dashboard. This is where you can manage all the aspects of your site. Now locate and select the website you'd like to add the WhatsApp link to. This can be done by clicking on the website section within your dashboard. Now within your website manager, let's get into edit mode. Look for the edit button. This will allow you to make changes to your site's layout and features. Clicking on it will open up the website editor where you can manipulate different elements of the site. Now that you're in the editor, it's time to add a block. Find and click on Add Blocks. This action lets you modify your website by adding new components where needed. You'll see a variety of options, and for our purpose, you'll want to choose Button. This choice will enable you to place a clickable button on your site, which we can then link to WhatsApp. After selecting the button option, you're almost there. Now let's give your visitors a way to reach you via WhatsApp. Look for an option labeled Attach Link. Click on it so you can input the WhatsApp link. This is a crucial step because it converts your button into a direct link to WhatsApp. For the WhatsApp link, you should use a URL in the format of https:/bua.me/your phone number, where your phone number is your full WhatsApp number in international format, omitting any zeros, brackets or dashes, and that's all there is to it. With everything set up, don't forget to save your changes before exiting the editor. Now when users visit your site, they can simply click on the button, initiating a WhatsApp chat with you directly. This feature not only makes it super easy for potential clients or visitors to connect with you, but also enhances the interactivity of your website. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps you engage your audience more effectively on Squarespace. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more helpful tutorials.